Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Do fresh ingredients have more flavor and nutrients than frozen or canned? In this video, I'll share differences between fresh, frozen, and canned ingredients and whether one is better than the other, or should you consider all three. Many cooking shows and blogs emphasize using farm-fresh ingredients. But millions of people live in food deserts where processed foods have replaced fresh foods. And supermarket fresh produce is more fiction than fact. Dictionaries define fresh foods as recently made or obtained, not canned, frozen, or otherwise preserved. In the U.S., the legal definition of fresh produce is fruits and vegetables that have not been processed in any manner. The U.S. definition excludes preserved in cold storage for months. Some fresh produce is rotting before you get it home. There's a big difference between the flavor of a vine-ripened tomato and supermarket tomatoes on the vine. Vine-ripened produce has more nutrients than produce harvested and stored for months. In this case, 9 months. And then there is fresh produce that spoils within days of purchase. These supermarket beets can be months old. These fresh beets went from garden to jar in less than 2 hours. This orange was picked and eaten while less than 10 minutes old. Not everyone can have or want a fruit or vegetable garden. Unless you have access to a farmer's market, supermarket fresh produce is not always your best choice. For people who do not have access to farm fresh produce, frozen produce is an option. While the cost may be higher, there's less waste. Frozen produce can also reduce prep time. Because fruits and vegetables are harvested, processed, and frozen at peak maturity, they can have more flavor and nutrients than fresh. Like fresh vegetables, most frozen vegetables have no added salt. And shelf life is up to a year versus days or weeks for fresh produce. Canned foods are another option. Canned includes foods preserved in jars. Unlike fresh and frozen ingredients, most canned foods add salt for flavor and as a preservative. Organic canned foods usually have less added salt than non-organic. Some have no added salt. Canning exposes foods to high temperatures to kill harmful bacteria. The canning process destroys some nutrients and can overcook foods, changing their flavor and texture. Canned green beans and peas are overcooked compared to fresh and frozen. I use fresh, frozen, and canned ingredients. Some ingredients are only available fresh. Some have better flavor and texture frozen and reduce prep time. Ingredients like canned beans are quick and convenient. They're perfect for salads, soups, and stews. Select ingredients based on your budget, likes, and availability. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.